Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete series on YouTube to learn English and American culture in the simplest way possible. There's no need to stress. Just listen carefully, watch the video as many times as you need, and you'll see your skills grow naturally and effectively. In today's episode, we're exploring an important moment in global history: how the US helped rebuild Europe after World War II. This is one of the key stories that shaped international relations and the image of the United States around the world. After World War II ended in 1945, much of Europe was left in ruins. Cities were destroyed, industries were collapsed, and millions of people were displaced and suffering. There was a serious risk that these poor conditions would lead to political instability, and the United States feared that this could lead to the spread of communism, especially in Western Europe. To address this, the United States launched the Marshall Plan in 1948. Officially called the European Recovery Program, it was named after Secretary of State George Marshall. The plan provided over $13 billion, more than $100 billion in today's money, to help rebuild the economies and infrastructures of 16 European countries. This wasn't just charity, it was also a strategic move. By helping to stabilize Europe, the US also protected its own economy and geopolitical interests. The Marshall Plan helped countries like France, West Germany, Italy, and the Netherlands recover quickly. Roads, bridges, and factories were rebuilt. Food and medical supplies were delivered. Most importantly, it helped restore hope. It's considered one of the most successful foreign aid programs in history. This plan also helped the US strengthen its position as a global leader. It was one of the first major acts of what we now call soft power, using economic influence rather than military force to gain allies and create peace. The Marshall Plan also laid the foundation for the creation of institutions like the European Union. So when we look at how Europe recovered from the devastation of war, we must recognize the enormous impact the US had, not only as a military power during the war, but as a builder of peace afterward. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning with us, please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That session is key for mastering both English and cultural understanding. Give this video a like, share it with your friends, and help us grow so we can keep producing the best content for you. See you in the next adventure.